In this video, I'm going to show you how you can SIM unlock your phone by Unlock Code. The unlocked phone becomes very handy if you want to use a different network carrier's SIM, or you are going abroad and you have another SIM for better roaming charges, or you wanna sell your phone and want to get rid of this network restriction to increase resale value. So first, you need to get your IMEI number, which is unique in every mobile device, and you can check it out by dialing *#06#. Write it down somewhere, because you are gonna need it to request an unlock code for your phone. Now, go ahead and go to letsunlockphone.com website. Now search for your phone model in search bar, and click on the product. For explanation purpose, I'm going to search for Galaxy S9. On product page, first select the network your phone currently has from drop down menu, then write your IMEI number. Check your IMEI number twice or thrice to confirm that there isn't any typing or other mistake. Then write your email address and name. After carefully typing all the information, go ahead and place the order, and we'll do the rest. In given time, we'll send you an email with unlock code for your Galaxy S9 with further instruction. After our email, insert the new SIM card in your phone. SIM network unlock pin menu will pop up. Just write the SIM unlock code we have sent you and your phone will be unlocked and ready to use anywhere in the world. This is a permanent network unlock, and your phone should now connect with the right network without you doing anything.